What is going on YouTube? It is your boy MrBaboon back with a reaction video. This time we have Animals Reunited with honors after years. I've not seen this. As always, I don't watch any of my videos before I react to them. I watch them when I do the recording for you guys. So we all watch it together at the same time and everything. So make sure you guys do like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications if you guys are new. And check the description. I will have the video, the channel link down below in the description, so that you guys can check it out for yourselves if you guys want to. So we have a little video. It's a little 9 minutes, 51 seconds. Not too long, but who knows how long the reaction is going to be? Who knows? I don't even know how long this is going to be right now at the time. So I think without that being said, let's go ahead and jump into it. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I really do appreciate it. I don't know if I already said that or not, but here we are with another reaction video. So let's go and get into this, okay? Did I even like the video? I don't even think I liked it yet. Nope. Let's like it. Fourth green.
Combat. And welcome to my channel.
Give me a second. My controller was turned off, so I ain't got no sound right now. So
I'm Wicked Wombat. And welcome to my channel. A herd of elephants run to their favorite human after 14 months away.
Oh, look at that. That's so cool. Bro, look at that. It's so heavy, nugget. Bro, that is amazing. That's dope. That is so cool. That is just so cool.
A lion meets his owner after a 3-year separation.
Bro. No, that is just so cool. Look at that. Like, ain't no one can tell me that's not cool.
Eve to me is
like, nah,
basically
that is
freedom.
So
it's a
cool.
giant open universe where
that is just so cool. That is so dope. Look at that. That is dope. That's dope. That is so cool.
A Marine comes home to surprise his very excited beagle.
His daddy just got home.
Bro.
Your daddy's home, buddy.
Look at that.
Look at the boy.
Your daddy's home. I know.
Bro, that is just so cool.
What are you doing?
Daddy's
so
home,
cool.
buddy.
A chimp is reunited with his human parents.
Bro. Bro.
Bandit. Downstairs.
Bro. That is so cool.
This adorable monkey really missed his grandma.
Bro. 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 That is just so cool. Bro. Bro. Bro, these videos are always so cool to me. Look at that.
This conservationist reunites with the gorilla he released back to the wild 5 years ago.
Bro, that is just so cool. Bro, that is so cool.
This lion has the best reaction to seeing his old friend.
Bro, that is so cool. That is so cool. Like, I just did a video. It was like reacting to dangerous animals being friendly, right? That's just so cool. And like, I honestly, I don't know if I could be like, I don't know if I could have, you know what I mean, a lion or anything like, you know what I mean. But do I think it would be cool? Absolutely. I will say that. I forgot to say that in the other reaction video, but I do think it would be cool. Bro. Bro, that's so cool. Look at that. Bro. Oh, that is so cool. Like, it's just so cool. Look at that. Nah, this is just so cool. Like, look at that.
Yes, she recognizes him.
An elephant is overjoyed after seeing his friend for the first time in a year.
It's like he's running.
This very excited pup is really happy to finally see his dad again.
I think he knows.
That's so cool.
I think he remembers you.
How you doing? You look real.
That's so cool. Bro. Bro, it's just so cool. That is just so cool. Like,
Here is
all
a
these
beautiful
animals are just
reunion
so
with some
happy.
wolves after being released in the wild over a year ago.
Like, nah, this is just so cool. So cool. This video is a really good video. I like this video. Really well. This is an amazing video.
I couldn't voice my feelings, but they could.
An owner can't hold back her tears after finding her cat alive and well after a tragic house fire.
Oh,
Tim!
shit.
Come on, baby! Eat the food! Tim! Timmy! Hi, baby girl! You look so good! Hi, babe! Hi! Timmy, you made it! You made it!
That is amazing.
Okay, baby. We're right here. We're here. Who's that, Buzz? Oh,
Yo.
yay! Oh, yeah. Since these are all my friends who've been keeping me company. Oh,
Bro, that is just so cool.
kisses.
Hola, ¿dónde está? Oye, ¿qué hace? Hola, ¿dónde está mi burrilla? ¿Dónde está? ¿Eh? ¿Qué pasa?
That is amazing, bro. That's amazing. Let me know what you guys thought about this video. I enjoyed it. It was really good. It was really, like, I mean, it was just a really good video. You know what I mean? What a way to end the night for recording, right? Really well done. Everything. It was like, I mean, you could just tell how happy everyone was and the animals was just to see the old owners and reconnect. Like, it was just so cool. Let me know what you guys thought down below or in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys in the next one. Positivity is key. Motivation is key. Happiness is key. I'll see you guys in the next one. You guys stay safe. Watch out for each other. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, all that good stuff. I really do appreciate it. You guys stay safe. Watch out for each other. See you guys in the next one.